Every time you say, "I'll do it tomorrow," you kill a piece of your dream. Excuses are the coward's refuge, a poison that saps your will and chains you to mediocrity. You want success? Then rip off the blindfold of laziness and face your fears head-on. Life doesn't wait for your convenience or your perfect moment. It rewards those who fight, who push through pain and failure, who take action now. Stop lying to yourself. Stop hiding behind later and can't. Get up. Get moving. Your dream is out there, but it's not waiting. It's running. Chase it down before it's too late.